Got him. Pull him out of there. Greg hooked up already. Oh, he came off? Sam's hooked up too? Pull him out of the school. Good fish? There. Greg hooked up. Good fish?
Good fish.
They're still out there working too. What? Hold on. You got Greg hooked over here and Sam hooked up over here. Man, I don't even really care. They're still working out there.
Yeah, let them come back out of the school and you hook them.
Oh damn, that's a good fish right there. Dude, look how big that one is. I want to see. Sam hooked up too, and the school's still working out there. Birds are still working over the school.